This is my brand new 3D video camera, SV Pro. Let's check what's inside the box. It's quite small. That's the camera itself. It's quite nice aluminum case. As you can see, SV Pro, just to protect your phone. But maybe I would recommend you to use some protective case anyway. This is the user manual, I guess. It's kind of short, but I'm going to test it anyway. It's a case.